Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go from one level to second level, and same like that you can create how many levels if the user hit that some we will put some item. If he hit, then he will jump to another level in Unreal Engine. So first you will click the launch button of Unreal Engine, so uh, it will take you like this. So you will press new project. After that, here we have blank first person flying, and we have many. um, this is by default. We can create from these, and this also that is give us some characters. So I will try on first person. So then you can change. If you want to make it per computer, you can make it per computer. If you want to make per mobile, you can press mobile. And also you can maximize the quality, but the scalable is a little less. And if you want to with startup, that will have some content, so we need like this. But this depend upon your requirement. So I will press this first person, and here I will create. So after create, and here I can give my project any name. So I will name it my game, my simple game, because I just want to make it for uh, my game, and I give him 6 number. So this is only I want to show you to how you will make your game, and how you will go from one level to another level. So now in this Unreal Engine, it will start now. So I will show you how to. Basically, we can create many level in game very easily, but basically I will just show you the easiest way to go to another level, from first level to second, from second to third, from third to fourth, and we. But I will just show you the method for. Uh, so now my Unreal Engine, it start. My Unreal Engine now starts. So I will uh, I will do some work now for this. So this automatically these are here. So we need to uh, create a level, new level. So I will give this. We will press this by default. No need if you want to work with the empty, but this by default we have some character or something already available. So I will press n by default, and I will save this, and I will give this name L1. L1 just for level 1. So this I save it, and my character will be already here in this center. This is my character. So I will just make a cubes here. I will drag and drop a cube, and I will drag the cube. I will press this scaling. So uh, from that we can or we can write here by scale. Here it is 3. If you make it 5, it will I think we need it more. So this is very big, so we will make it 15. So 15 is almost it's enough. And also we will make it. I just want to create a wall, because our character will not jump from the wall. So also I will drag this a little bit, so that will be easy for me for the moving. So with alt and with left key press, we can easily move the okay. But this is also, this is big, So we will make this wall a little bit smaller to 10. Yeah, this I think now. Okay. Also, I will move a little bit by Alt and my left mouse press. So this I will move from this arrow to here, and I think you people know already this. And I will make it copy paste. So I will press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So this wall I will bring it here, and also I will copy paste it again, and I will move this wall from here to like this. So this wall, and also I will copy paste this wall. So now I will take this wall here. So my character, if I press the play, it will not go out from the boundary, it will not fill down. So this is my first level. And I will put some cubes and something, so I will know that this is my first level. I will try to write same like 1 on this, so I will know that this is my first level. This I try to write 1, so this is, for example, 1. So now I will this is a little bit I think in upper, and the other is lower. And also I will make some geometry. For example, this linear this sphere, and I will rotate it by this z axis. Here is a rotation, so from the z axis I can rotate it any way, so like this, and I will move it a little bit, so this will be no need, I will take here near this wall. Okay, so this is just to I know that this is my first level, and I will save this. Here you can see this L1. Now I will create another level. I will give this level number 2. I will save it, and I will save this by L2. So this is my second level. I also can bring those wall and material from my this level 1. So I will go to level 1, and I will select this wall by my mouse left click and control key. So I select these all 4 walls, and I will press Ctrl C, and then I will open file, open, and level 2. I will paste it here. So this wall already I copy from there. So now I will make here some geometry, so I will know that this is my level 2. So this is another geometry, and I can scale it, so this will be a little bit smaller, because our this ground is small, so we do not need very big item in this. So I make like this, and I will make some this spiral stair or something. This is also very big, so I will scale it because this my ground is small. So this is, I scale it. So this is just for to know that this is the second level. Otherwise we no need to put something or no. Okay, this is my second level. So now I will I will save this also. This is L2. So for example, if I am working in this, I will play this game by this play, and this is my first person. Yeah, and to mouse also you can move also by arrow of your keyboard, and also it will shoot anything. and this is the stair. I can go by the stair, also I can fire. And now I will make some, I will put something. So from this level 2, I will press now escape. So if I put something here, if my character hit that, so we will go back to level 1. So for that it's simple. I will right click in this place, in this area, in this blueprint class, and I will press actor. And actor I will write go L1. So it will take me to level 1 because now I am in level 2. Here you can see the L2. So I will double click this, go L1, and it will open to me a new window. So here I will make also one some uh, I will make one cube. So if my character hit or a trigger on this cube, it will take my character to level 1 because now I am in level 2 window. But if I am in level 1 window, I will make coding for this for level 1. So now I will, if you want to make coding for this, you will press the cube here, and then you will go to event graph. In event graph, we will move it little bit with our right mouse click. So I will move this to, I will have some place here. So I will press right click and add event per cube, and here I will this collision. In collision I will add on component hit. So if I press this window automatically open. I will right click here, and I will write open open level. I will press on this level. So I will write here the level name. So for example, if I want to put this cube in level 1, then I need here to write level 2. If I want to put this cube in level 2, so then I will write here level 1. So I will write here level L2 because now I am in so now I will write L2 and I will save this. After saving, I will close this, and I will, because this is L2, so I will put this cube here in the corner or anywhere. So now I will play the game, and if my character hit this cube, then because this is level 2, because in level 2 I create this tier. So now I will trigger this. So here I think something is wrong, because I think I write some here. I will check it again that what is wrong with this. This is I write L2, in this I am in L2, so it should be L1. Sorry, I write there L2. So this is now L1, and also we will make one line from this to here. So now it will work. I will save it again, and if I hit this bar, if I trigger on this, it will take us to level number 1. So now we are in level 1, because in level 1 I put this another type of stair. So this is the method. If you have any issue, you can comment. I will try to solve your issue. So you can make many like this trigger cone or cubes, and it will solve your issue. So thank you for watching the video, and now it's finished.